Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can travel to Germany for free. Yes, you can travel to Germany for free. This is something that you are interested in. Oh yeah, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, ain't it me? Go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your love and your incredible support. I see you and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yes, quick one guys, while you're introducing yourself, so all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. And thank you for always leaving beautiful comments. And if you're new here, please do the same thing. Like this video, share this video with your community members, your church members, your mosque members, your Bible members, and the witches in your village. And of course, let me also introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And here on this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. And without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, I'll be introducing you to TU Munich summer intake of 2026. So hi besties, engineers, innovators, and change makers. If you have ever dreamt of studying in Germany, let me introduce you to a golden opportunity. The summer intake 2026 at TU Munich, Germany's #1 ranked technical university. TU Munich, also known as Technische Universität München, is a powerhouse in engineering, natural sciences, and technology. And guess what? You can start your journey in April of 2026, skipping the crowded October intake and diving straight into excellence. And here is what you need to know. It is tuition free. Yes, so tuition free education as one of Europe's top institutions. The application window, please make sure that you apply right away. As for visa filing, make sure that these are the requirements. You need certificates mandatory for Indian applicants, yes. And you also need scholarship guidance and blocked account support. Yes, it's available. And it is tuition free. And just so you know, it's education at a public university. And Germany is one of the few countries in the world where public universities offer tuition free education. Even for international students, you only pay a small administrative fee, usually about 300 euros per semester, which often includes public transportation. And this makes Germany one of the most affordable destinations for high quality higher education. Guys, it is also globally respected. Yes, they have globally respected degrees and research excellence. You see, German universities are known for their academic excellence, yes, the academic rigor, research outputs, and global recognition. Institutions like TU Munich, Heidelberg University, and RWTH Aachen or Aachen, some of these names are so hard to call. They consistently rank among the top in the world. So whether you're pursuing engineering, you're pursuing medicine, or humanities, a German degree carries weight across continents. You also get a wide range of English taught programs. Yes, Germany offers over 2,000 English taught programs, especially at the master's level. This means that you can study in Germany without needing fluency in German, while you're still having the chance to learn the language during your stay. Now, these programs are designed to attract global talent and they are often aligned with international career standards. So guys, whether you are pursuing a master's degree in data science, or you're pursuing a master's degree in aerospace engineering, or you're pursuing a master's degree in sustainable energy, TU Munich offers cutting-edge programs and strong industry connections. So if you are ready to study in a city that actually blends innovation with Bavarian charm, this is your moment. Let me know in the comments if you want help, if you need help with the application or choosing the right program. Do not forget to like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who needs it. And guys, here are some reasons why you might want to consider traveling abroad or studying abroad. See, you get to immerse yourself into a culture different from yours, and you also help cross culture. You also get to teach others or show others or share your culture with other people. You also build lifelong friendships. You get friendship of a lifetime from people from all over the country. I remember one of my friends when we lived in Texas. One of my friends told me he's from, I think, Congo. And he told me he met the daughter of a sitting governor in Nigeria in his class. And they are so close. University is a setting. The setting in the university is such that everyone is equal. Yes, there's no classism within the 4 confines of a university. So you can get to meet people that you are so, free with. Like you can relate as friends. There are no airs around them. There are no oddlies. So please, guys, take advantage of this opportunity. You can meet people that will change your life forever. I'm telling you. So if you want to study in a city that is historic and student friendly, do not forget, reach out, as in connect to this school. They are calling your name. Germany is calling your name. And the good thing is they also teach in English language. There are several courses, more than 2,000 courses, like I said. They teach in English. And in my next video, guys, I'm going to share with you another scholarship that you can take advantage of, also in Germany. So don't confuse this video with that video. There are two different scholarships all entirely. And I'm here to bring all of these juicy details to your doorstep. Part of the reason, other reasons why you might want to consider traveling abroad or studying abroad is the quality of education that you get. Yes, when you travel abroad, you get to immerse yourself in the learning culture. You find out that the way you learn, the way you study from your home country is different from the way you study here. And that's not all. Guess what? You're also hot cake. By the time you graduate, you find out that a lot of employers want to hire someone that has traveled, someone that has international exposure and international experience, learning experience, with the hope that you are able to bring in what you have learned from that university or from that country. You're able to help them, include it in their culture or imbibe it in their culture if it's way better than what they are currently doing. So guys, what are you waiting for? Don't sleep on it. See, G Masun, I'm telling you, I am here. My own job is to constantly research all these opportunities for you guys and share with you on this channel. I am telling you, these are some of the best universities that you can ever find in Germany. And the good thing is a lot of them will pay almost all of your tuition fees. In fact, they pay your tuition fee. You just get to pay a very tiny, like 300 euros every month, which is way less than what you typically get in countries like United States or USA, or Canada. I said United States or USA, it's the same thing, So please take advantage of these opportunities. And if you haven't introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments. I really want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys hold a special place in my heart. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing me out. Thank you for telling a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these wonderful opportunities that I share with you guys right here on this channel. And if you need help in any form, yes, during your application process, do you know that you can book a one-on-one consultation with me? Just go ahead and join my Patreon community. Yes, I have a Patreon community where you can, be part of, and you can book a one-on-one consultation. And you can also join my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button over there. And then you can join my channel membership. Whichever way gives you access to a one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things scholarship, travel, and all of the good stuff. I'm here rooting for you. I'm here for you. Now, this is my last quote for the day. Always stay ready so you don't have to get ready. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you are sweet, you are gorgeous, and I'm incredibly proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go to Express. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.